want to do. And what him want to do, we can't go say. And we can't go cuss him and tell him what to do. I feel decision, he must know. You understand? Shannel, you have to firm up your mental and firm up your meds, girl, and stop doing little silly stuff there. And every time I win, you and the man I left, you do it as well, and them say. So that means there's something you do to get back your attention, bro. You got to harm yourself for real one time, bro.
And it'll go bad, because look how far that gone. I mean, we didn't know. Because yesterday, in a Jabass, watch this now. Yesterday, you know, me carry the kids them gone.
I don't like how Dragga lead and the girl no one then to, bro. This minute you want that one, then this minute you want this one.
Don't I tell him? I can't tell him, I say, brother, top lead and the woman them and tell the woman them, it's truth.
This minute you want this one, then this me want. And then with that Airbnb, that one they come with. And then they gone back down a pool or a river, that one they gone with, bro. Y'all lead and two women them together, bro.
No, Jabass, no. Me can't talk for that. Him never done on a river with no TT. I'm media river and TT called me and asked me if he come a river with me. Dragga did there in work. You understand? And when me go up a yard now, me realize said something happen. Because some rumors start spread by me. They say, Ray, me no want to go back over that. Right?
Them not see one on a pool, Annie.
Yeah, but yeah, me a say no man. And me and the
river?
Yeah, we did the river first, so we go over the pool.
Then no Dragga me say a pool. Then no Dragga me say a pool of people in the pool.
No.
That would have people in the pool.
Dragga when them choting things, when Shannel choting things, and me take a car and go pick up Dragga. Dragga never did it.
Oh, so after I show the thing, you go film and then come back and so.
And carry back down a river. You never did nowhere near TT.
Oh, me understand.
You understand? And nobody can tell me say no keep company with TT. You don't make up my life. You don't make no decision.
Nobody can tell that. You're TT your friend, you're TT your friend.
You get me? So Dragga did up there with him baby mother. It's just that said a thing happen. And she said, make a choice. And Dragga said, here what? Me now go settle with you. But me still the runner, you know. And she start put out the thing. Then when me go up there, me take up the clothes and put in her car. Me go with Dragga. So like when me turn back now and I go now and she did it by herself. She self-harm herself.
So she did hospital?
Yeah, she did hospital now. But Dragga go check on her. I go back 4 o'clock. He might get some rest to go in 4 o'clock. Go check back on her again.
My God.
Shannel, no want to talk to me again.
And I say a girl picking in them, brother, I want to stand up for her, see you, no matter the circumstances. You understand me?
Yes.
And reason with that, like a big woman to her daughter, you know, say, listen, the boy say no one just make him go and love him. Because I say a girl love that boy then, bro. I say, come on me, bro. I mean, know when somebody loves somebody, brother.
Realize she love her family too, so.
Yeah, and she cleans you, bro.
I feel like say, we can go see TT. Run yesterday and thing. Jogging brains. But me didn't know I say Shannel and things so serious, man.
Blood clot coming at people really fast. If you go, you know you. I don't want to rain.
Me not do nothing for your cuss me. Me not do nothing for your cuss me. Me not make TT come back then. I saw you go. But me not think it's right though. Me not think it's right though.
I'm not going to say Anil hate Shannel because when Shannel did up at Airbnb, and treat Shannel good. And I'm a Shannel par. And they live loving. I'm not going to say that. But let me tell you the situation with Annie in her. Annie now a rascal triangle where she can't make a choice. She have to just be that friend. And then she just have mutual herself and make the man deal with that party. And that me see her going to tell you. Everybody got somebody who they more like. I feel like say Annie like TT more. I know say Minka like TT more. Me sure about that. You understand me? So
it's not necessary.
God no more one day I saw and here say she hurt herself. You see me? Bro, God no more one year that they tell the truth. So I just pray to God saying just remove every little suicidal thoughts out of her brain, bro, and just live, bro. Life did they feel live, brother.
That mean no, life did they feel live.
She come at Airbnb and nothing wrong with her, bro. She's not ugly.
Nice.
I just say fucking Annie ugly over this and in her real life. And in her real life, Annie nice, you know. I TikTok make Annie look so ugly, you know. In her real life, Annie nice, you know, bro. The Dragga no ugly boy I need, you know, bro. They're nice in a real life, man. The girl when named Shannel, she nice in a real life, I tell you, bro.
True.
But I teeth them white. She have buff teeth, but I teeth them white. And she
Nice teeth. Nice teeth. Yeah,
nice customers, bro. You see, man, you gotta put himself together, bro. G. So I don't know where they come from life sometimes. People like say they don't know put them blood class self together.
I know everybody blame me. I say, I mean, Messi wanna keep on. I say that thing, you know. God, no, I know. Honestly,
Me not tell no lie. I swear, me not tell no lie. Any other never look me. I swear, me not tell no lie. In a real life, nothing wrong with that, bro. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, but me always hear people say that in when time I bought them in person, them I say, Annie, TikTok not give you no justice.
That's true, man.
They meet me in person now. They say, but Annie, you look
So,
nice in
Annie,
real life. Yeah,
Annie,
yeah, Jabass, yeah.
So what we are going to do about this situation? Like I remember saying, no, Annie, I mean a guidance council and a family. You know, someone know what happened to this situation. No. So we TT there.
You know, I say, what you say?
That's what they want 3-inch nail.
They want 3-inch nail?
You don't know it's a 3-inch nail, ugly blood clot me, you don't know where 3-inch nail. Why you not go look for 3-inch nail? Let's see woman they call live attack. Why you not go look for 3-inch nail? You come over here about 3-inch nail.
Why a nail? You 2.5 and 3-inch? Alright, you come run go out, so just put on our sneakers, run go out there, sir, and come buy them. Come no man.
Yeah, come.
You see to me, teamwork, everything work out. Come together, run go cross over the hardware over there, so, and get it, and make him tell you one, and just pick them up.
Hey man.
Take out $2,000 out of my bag.
Me never get to buy something, man. Got you me kind of busy, brother. I say I'll be a rain and weather with everything. I never get to buy something, man.
Look here, me not talk again, you know.
Spray bush, man. Maybe buy down na even a man and me get to buy, man. We say a bag of cement and one tin set.
Hurry up.
It's not a promise, you know. I'm going to try to do it, but I check down a hardware down out of Brompton, listen. Murder.
Alright, so we're not saying out to us.
TT there.
Alright.
Me know what's a TT there, honey. You know, tell me no lie.
No, she leave and go and do her hair. Me not gonna tell her no lie, Jabass. She left and go and do her hair. But to be honest, as I say, me feel like therefore because she have a connection.
Me feel that true TT plumb up and sexy up on anyway, yeah. You see me? Why Dragga like TT more? If he said that, he just like how she's sexy up and look fresh up, you know? What you think? Annie, what you think?
Eh?
And remember we are hypocrite, you know, if you come man, remember we are blood clot hypocrite, Annie.
I feel like say I can't TT have a big booty.
Me feel say that too, and like say TT give me a better head than any way there.
Understand what I say?
Yeah, so me feel like say I just that you just see one different fucking and one different pussy, so you just love a thing. They can remember TT a sexy girl, you know.
Me know man, cause me see girl like cool and me not lie to you.
I just them alone with gone.
That can't fix, but that can't work, pal. Cause me see girl like cool and me think say yo, we look like you looking like a BBL, the right one.
Yeah, I show girl look good, me not gonna lie.
Yeah. So
me feel say that's why Dragga prefer she. Because listen, there's nothing you can do about it, you know.
I know, me see that.
And you cannot tell Dragga who to choose, you know.
That's it.
You have to just sit down and shut your ass mouth, and if you are TT a friend, you keep your friendship, and if you are Shannel a friend, you keep your friend. You're not busy enough for them thing.
I saw me think Dragga. Jabass.
You understand me? Because me not gonna be no hypocrite and tell about you are this and you are that. You can't do nothing to that.
True. I'm in love with both of them.
You can't look at your big old son. You can't look at your big old son how much year old boy and go tell him who to choose and
who to choose and who to talk.
You could never do that.
I can't do that for real.
You could have never run.
Him have to make up his mind like
you can't go say, and he can't go get up and say, all right then Dragga say a TT, Shannel, may you stop chat. Don't come back here. Or if Dragga this is Shannel, you could say TT, may use no friend. No, you have to just relax, bro. I respect people because they respect you and you told them my friend, bro. I saw you go, bro.
True. That's what I see.
I say, bro, yeah, because listen now, me have girlfriend in my past where no my mother and my mother friend and my sister, bro. Me and them left. And them and my mother and my sister then still correspond and laugh and chat them mother come to Jamaica, they meet up and go out see them way to bro. That's not my blood club business.
That same thing you
my mother can't tell me who fit there with and who not fit there with and who.
Because me love the both of them.
But me just want, me go reason with him to, because bro, me no want, because me see it, you know, and me can't hide it, you know. Yeah. Him lead and both of them, bro. He must swing, bro. I see because you wanna enjoy life and know, bro.
Nah, like to you know, everything where you say connect.
Yeah, man, you must
Come
swing,
out of
bro.
your
So
mouth
next
is
minute you
connect.
want there, so next
But
minute you want to do this, so bro.
you know, me feel so bad Jabass and me maybe pan a level here with you this morning when yesterday she pay a man for chop out the land cause she take piece of land side of me over here, so, you know, we build up our house, you know. And the man come and chop out the whole like thing for her, man. And when me say all of this happen, man, me I tell her the truth, I just say lick me because me know say she want build a future, she want build a home with him. You know what I say the only way there? Yeah. Cause the little work man come and me just have to give him a little thing and tell him say she dey hospital.
Anyway, me I say, you want me broke one black for TT, making one more in blood clot business.
My brother broke it black, broke it.
Cause me can broke one black for TT, making one about in blood clot, but me I go watch and see what I go on first.
Yo, Jabass, me now go get me look here.
If me broke it black TT run and hide in that one come back there.
I broke it for now because my birthday dinner come. I want to see my 2 grandson. Broke it for now.
Oh, okay, you want Shannel come too.
Yes.
Alright, me I go fix him, I go fix him.
Alright.
You not see him live, you can add him.
Oh, TT?
Homework, yeah.
Me not see, me not in the pan live.
TT, me say I bring, I try and you know, girl, I bring your blood clot over here. See. Me say I try and say, come in and bring your blood clot over here. Though. You understand there? Me say, me just a trip
Oh,
to your ass clot.
no, I do. If Jabass ever start to back foot, me I tell you, say I done it done. I done it done. We don't want it.
You can't understand there.
We just want the 2 grand penny then come. I'm more Shannel there, I look at dinner, but me know Shannel.
So when Anna she said she a come.
Yes, me win the match.
Me say they happy when you play that.
Me win the match.
You know? No, but too, me see the happiness for you, bro. Like for real, me see a different life to you, bro. Like, bro, you see me? We have to just keep the momentum and keep the family together, bro. No make none come between you, bro. Cause by an idea, it's real and go have no like or not have no one another, you know. Stranger and go have no like. No matter how good you see a stranger might come around and what happened to she? I want to blood clash she. Homework a girl TT if you go blood clot one side, you want to come in a man relationship, come no for yourself in a girl relationship. If you go one blood clot side and go away from yourself, you come here, you see you see you see good relation you see good relation
Oi, look into my eyes and tell me what you see. One lion if Annie go down dead.
Where you get lion from?
You know what
I
I'm
could
Where
a
you get
lion,
lion from?
tiger, or bear. Make the bet, make the bet, make the bet. Make the bet.
Yeah.
Come now,
Thank you,
guys.
God.
See that? In a comment section, I said bet, 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 bet.
Thank you,
See that?
betting guys.
Annie,
Eh?
keep boy got along now. If you got along now, you must stress out the blood clot, girl, and you. Make him face him. Remember saying never did it over, make him face him blood clot struggle on his own. And he must stress out the girl and go on with himself. Make him go to the face him one struggle.
Guys, thank you so much, guys. Everybody with double tap, thank you. Remember me.
When everyone good on you know, when everyone good on you know, when everyone good on they want Dragga go feel like say it is okay now, cause mommy the back of me. Right, blood
You know, sir, that's why. You know, sir, that's the reason why yesterday me never did run up in a nothing like yesterday. That's the reason why yesterday.
decline something for man.
I was
I
declining.
know me, I don't know what.
No D man.
I know me.
Chat back on something.
Thank you. Enough of them not understand. Me have a lot dealing with. You get me? And that's why more why I left them to make them deal them own situation. Them are big people, them are adults. But later on, I feel two of them head up on bed. And remember, me tell you when them don't trace you off and lock you out and tell you which part of your foot dirty from which part clean. I saw them tan. So that's why more why I left them and make them deal with them own situation and pay mind to my business.
True.
I know, joking thing.
True, Annie, me not joke, man. I understand exactly what you're saying.
When I say me no love her, D, me love her, right? Me love her. Me get where you said, D, which part me go wrong as a mother-in-law, where she still look up and say, yo, me still have you, so where me can go.
Lisa, thank you, baby. I missed you.
Anytime Shannel
Can you
get
talk
better
to
and
man
come out
for
the hospital, I give one nice. I give one nice look man.
Yeah, me want him drop me a day.
Yeah, Annie.
Eh?
Anytime Shannel come out. Rascal, then on this Sunday, my birthday. And this Sunday, my birthday, you know.
A Sunday I come my birthday?
And somebody just remind me when I come in.
I lie. Guys, each person one rose chat, please. Guys, each person, 26 rose chat. Each person one rose, please, guys. Sunday, Jabass birthday, guys. Thank you, baby. Thank you.
The 1st of June, yeah.
No, a photo of mine. I photo come on mine. I vote, guys. Guys, each person, guys, one rose. Look at catch his speech chat.
I thought we was the mechanic.
We're fine, still forget Jabass. Wednesday is our... Yes, baby, Wednesday our birthday. Murder.
Yeah, until we get me 26 roses. We bomb rascal.
26. Guys, each person one rose. Each person one rose.
Go me do your so.
Gemini season, mad season. I
believe.
Guys, thank you, guys. I run out. It a run out chat. All right, we now go catch you. 30.
Yeah,
9. Guys, everybody come together, guys, and double tap the screen now, please.
I know money for do nothing.
I know I'm not sure, but I know so I want to see my grandson. I want to see baby.
Triple chat. Triple chat.
Guys, double tap. Guys, we not catch no speed over here, so chat.
Triple chat.
Out the year.
Triple.
But 2 days after my birthday, hello guys, Sunday is mine. Woo!
Watch out.
Watch out. Be a June people jump up. Gemini queens gonna come up in the comment section. Geminis, that's short, you know. Gemini, Rich, the 19.
Triple chat.
Gemini, jump out. Don't play with it.
Start triple.
Sunday is mine. Yeah, Jabass up on the same birthday.
Yassi, big up Yassi. Heart of love.
20, the 3. Murder, the 4th, my birthday twin. The 4th, mine too. The 2. 4th again, Maya. Guys, at the top of the stream.
hear me now. Okay.
Gemini, step up and scream.
Come on my side, shoot the baby.
Come on, guys. Step up and scream, guys. Don't make we look bad after Gemini. Come together, guys. Thank you, baby. P, bless up yourself, baby.
Hey, it's time much I done. Me I go come off at TikTok. Me I go in now. Me I go when it's done.
October, mad dead people on the head no good. Just like my birthday is. Yeah.
Oh, not hear me now.
Me I leave after this year, Annie and Andy.
Alright, no problem, Jabass. Oh, we connect with you later. Warm to you.
Okay, sweetie.
If me this smell Annie, yeah, she smell nice.
October the 5th. Boy, me not lie, I'm afraid of October people.
Me can't
No one
tell
like
you.
trip out. Yeah, me hear good deal.
Lisa,
Me find someone.
Yeah, hear me? Okay.
They me can't wait for come up, they come check you, see man, I swear, me I forget everything off of me and come sit down in your chair. I can't wait for come, my love.
Master, me I tell you, girl.
Alright, just take care of yourself and God bless you here.
Alright, see you soon.
Yes. Alright, D, take care of yourself, darling.
That's when I make a money because I want to give Jabass for birthday, you know. A team face. I want team. Why am I run? Why am I run? Why in the tired day? I went in the tired.
Sorry, thank you, but look, so.
And by later, and come back and trace off everybody. You have business Wednesday. Really? Come
Listen,
to D, come
let me
here
ask
play, yeah?
business.
Come here play too. Deep, come play the best at 3.
It we are going to wait there, Lord God. Wait there, Annie, wait there.
Alright.
If someone come up and me tick it up, the friggin' stop me to it, me live I go end.
Your live I go end?
Try to say, oh, wait. He come up, wait.
He come back.
Come back, you know? Okay, wait, he come up now.
It's just
Yeah, come now.
much.
Yeah, he come now. Okay, good. Yeah.
Alright.
So how you do differently mentally, you good?
Honestly, yeah, me a hold up. Me just feel good now. Me started to work for my place. Me there with the kids, them happy. That just keep me up, you know?
That fresh year, right?
Yeah, true. I start going with myself, man. I lie. D, me like
I lie
that
not
little part the way you said to me. I think that little part there buzz me for true. But